Hello everyone. So I have changed here some style. Here you can see. So what I have done here, I just have add class here. You can see, and some I have changed some style. Now here I'm going to add one more column, and that is action. And let's add here one more TD. And here I will add a link. So anchor tag. Delete. And here I'm going to use a class bg ranger. If I refresh, so here you can see we have added it, but I think I should add some style on it so that it look good. So let's go add a style here, style, text decoration, let's say none. Let's add little bit padding. Okay, good. Now let's change the color of the text. So color. Okay, done. Now if I click here, let's say admin will click here and it will be deleted. So we have to give here a route. So let's go to the reference, and here we'll give a route, delete doctors. So I will use here underscore delete underscore doctor. And now let's say I want to delete which doctor, right? So I need to give here an ID. So here I will give comma and then ID. Here I'm going to give ID. So so this ID is from the hospital table. Then we have doctors, and if I go to the structure here, you can see ID. So we have passed an ID. So now let's go to the route. So I'll copy it and let's go to the web.php. So you'll find inside routes, okay, then web.php, and here we have view doctors. Okay, fine. Now I will actually go a little bit down, and here I'm going to copy this route. Okay, this route, let's copy this, paste it here. Let's change the name, function also. So here I'll say delete doctors, and here I'll say so, and I will say slash, and here I'm going to use an ID. So I'm going to say ID. That's it. So it will actually go admin controller. Then we have to actually create the function, right? Delete doctor. So let's go to the admin controller. You will find it inside app http then controllers then admin controllers, and here we are going to create a function, and that is public function name, and here we have passed the ID. So we have to actually send here parameter ID, and now here I'm going to say $doctor is equal to, I will say doctor colon find or fail. Okay, and here I'm going to mention the ID. So this is $ID. So I'm going to search through ID, and I'm going to return it. So let's copy this, paste it here. Here I'm going to delete everything. Okay, so I'm finding it, and I'm going to say that $doctor doct or doctor. I'll say delete method. That's it. And I'll say actually I will say here that return redirect. Okay, return redirect back. That's it. Now let's go check how it's work. Go to the dashboard, view doctors. Now let's say I want to delete any of the doctor. Let's say this one, Dr. Yamin, or maybe I have Dr. Disrespect multiple times. So maybe I can actually delete this last guy. Okay, so I will click on delete, and it should be delete. Okay, deleted, right? If I go to the database, if I go to the browse, here you can see deleted. Okay, and guys, that's it. So the problem is, let's say admin don't want to delete the doctor, but accidentally it just clicked. Then what will happen? So here we should use on click option. So here, okay, so I'm going to add here on click option. After this I will say on click, okay, return, then confirm, and here I'm going to mention that are you sure. So now let's go refresh. Now let's say I want to delete this guy, so I'll click on delete, and here you can see localhost says are you sure. I'll say cancel, and now it it will not be deleted. Okay, so that's it. This is how admin can delete doctor's information. Okay, thanks for watching this video.